Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. So today especially I got lot of we can say requests from my students that to make video on back pain, because normally people are suffering from back pain a lot, going to office, sitting long time, driving for long time. So it's really killing people. So today I am going to show you only 5 asanas which is really very helpful, and it will take only 5 minutes. So let's be with me for 5 minutes. Don't skip, okay? Don't skip a single step. Let's practice. The first one, it's very easy. Any kind of age group can do this, beginner to advanced or levels. So keep your body straight, back straight. Feet should be flat on the mat, palms firmly on the floor. As you inhale, lift your buttocks up, look up. As you exhale, chin to the chest, roll your shoulders up. Few more rounds. Inhale, lift your tailbone up, press your lower back down as much as you can. Look up, pull your chin up, roll your shoulders a bit back. Feel the stretch on your lower back. This is very good practice for the thyroid as well with the back pain. As you exhale, take your chin to the chest and pull your shoulders, upper back completely upward, and suck your stomach completely inside. Inhale all the way up, look up. Excellent. Down. Very good. Next practice. Sit comfortable and easily. Fold your right leg from the knee. Slowly. From here, you have to cross your left hand. If you can keep your left palm outside of your right foot. If it's not possible, if you are feeling very difficult, you can hold your right knee with the left hand. Very easy. Now take your right hand in the front. Breathe in. As you breathe out, take your hands back and pull your right knee more towards your chest. At the same time, roll your right shoulder more back. Open your chest and twist your back as much as you can. Look backward. Take few breath in and out normally in the final position. As you breathe in, slowly bring your head come back to the center. As you breathe out, release your hands. Okay, other side. We'll do the same with the other side. So fold your left leg. You can hold your left knee with the right hand. Inhale, take your left hand up. As you exhale, take your left hand behind. Keep it exactly behind your back as much as you can. So now breathe in. As you breathe out, pull your left knee more towards your chest and move to the right side. At the same time, twist your left shoulder more backward and look back completely as much as you can. Pull your elbow more downward so that you will get a twist. Very nice. Breathe in, come back to the center. Breathe out, release your left hand, then release your right hand. Next, just lie down on your back, comfortable and easily. Arms by the side of your body. Fold your right leg from the knee. Keep your right foot outside of your left thigh. Now, fold your left leg from the knee. Slowly, slowly. Watch step by step. Okay. Now, hold your left foot with the right hand. Okay. Now, hold your right knee with the left hand. So, once you hold your comfort here, breathe in deeply. As you breathe out, pull your right knee more to the left side and look to the right side. Twist a bit. Very nice. Look back. Stay here for a few moments. Observe your breath. It's very good and very relaxing practice for the back pain. When you stand whole day or maybe working whole day in sitting position, after coming home, if you do this practice, really blessing. Breathe in, come back to the center, bring your knee back. First release your right hand, straighten your left leg. Release your left hand, straighten your right leg. Other side. Just see carefully. Fold your left leg from the knee. Keep your left foot outside of your right thigh. Clear? Now, fold your right leg from the knee. Inside. Hold your right foot to the left hand. Now hold your left knee with the right hand tightly. Breathe in. As you breathe out, first relax your shoulders and back. Pull your left knee more to the right side pull it towards the floor. Don't pull it like this. Okay, this is wrong. Now you need to pull it towards the floor, little bit inside towards your chest. At the same time, press your left shoulder more downward, look to the left side. The key point is make sure that your both the shoulders should be on the floor how much you can. Go back, look back, stretch here, keep on breathing for few moments. Observe your natural breath. Feel the stretch on the lower back, middle back. Breathe in, straighten your head. Come back to the center, bring your knee back. As you breathe out, release your right leg first, then release your right hand and left leg. Just relax, shake your legs. Good. Next practice, fold your right leg from the knee, bring your knee to the chest. Interlock your fingers, keep it below the knee, press your knee against your chest as much as you can. This practice is good for back. At the same time, next practice, fold your right leg from the knee, bring your knee to the chest, interlock your fingers, keep it exactly below the knee, press your knee more inside against your chest. So this practice is very good for the back. At the same time, this is excellent practice for the bloating, gas and acidity problem. Inhale deeply. Now hold the breath, lift your head up, chest up, try to touch your knee with your nose. Stay here. When you are holding in a posture, keep on breathing, don't hold your breath. Breathe in, head up, breathe out and come down. So if you have cervical spondylitis, just make sure that you are not putting too much pressure on your neck. But in worst case, if you have so much pain, don't take your head up. Just only press your knee down to the chest. It will give you a stretch to the back. Next, opposite leg. Fold your left leg from the knee. Bring your knee to the chest. Interlock your fingers. Keep it below the knee. Breathe in deeply, hold the breath, press your knee down to the chest, head up, chest up. Stay here for a few moments, keep on breathing. Breathe in, come back to the center and breathe out and relax. Next practice, let's move. Turn your body to the right and lie down on your stomach. Good. Now, keep your feet flat on the mat, relax your chest on the floor, forehead on the floor. So, I will show you 2 to 3 steps here. The first step, you will just keep your elbows on the floor, palms relax on the floor. Now, breathe in, only take your head up and chest up. In case if you have too much back pain, you are not able to bend much back, just stay here and keep on breathing. This is very beginner friendly and everyone can do this practice. Stay here and take few breath in and out. Exhale, go down. You can repeat it 5 to 10 times. The next step, bring your palms little bit more back, exactly beside your chest. Spread your fingers as much as you can. Breathe in, head up, chest up. Now lift your chest a bit up, look up as much you can. Open your chest a bit, feel the pressure on your lower back. Look up, keep on breathing, excellent, down. Breathe in, up, breathe out and down. One more round, inhale, up, excellent, down. And the third practice, this is excellent practice for the back pain. So what you have to do, you have to separate your legs, keep your heels inside. Separate your thighs a bit. Now keep your palms exactly beside your chest. Inhale, head up, chest up. Completely try to straighten your elbow. It's very good practice for the back. It will give strengthening effect and stretching effect to your lower back. Look up, open up your chest a bit. As you exhale, completely bend forward. Bend down. Relax, release your legs. And release your hands. Now keep your both the palms under your thighs. Keep your forehead or chin on the floor, whatever you feel comfort. Inhale deeply, lift your right leg up as much as you can. Excellent, down. You repeat 5 to 10 times with one leg, then we'll do it with other leg. Breathe in, lift your left leg up. Breathe out and down. Repeat the same with the other leg. Release your hands, palms on the floor. Inhale, look up. As you exhale, lift your buttocks up. Go back. Sit on your heels if you can. Just fold it on the floor. Take rest here. Breathe in, come back and relax. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share to your all friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.